What's good? It's your girl DejaDeshay, and I'm back with another YouTube video. Now, excuse me if I'm a little low. I do have the fan blowing because it is hot up in here, and of course I got my ring light on. Now I know I'm looking at all type of crazy, but I'm not gonna be looking this way for long. But you know that already from clicking my title that I'm gonna transform to a completely different person. Before we get into the video, make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up. If y'all new, subscribe, catch the vibe, and if you already been on my channel, thank you for watching. I will be once again attempting to put on this front, but this time I will be doing it on camera. So this is the hair I got. Let me take this head off. First of all, I just want to say I'm thinking about vending hair and selling it. So I was actually testing out a potential vendor. So the hair came fast and it's so soft. It's laid overall. Look at the baby hair. Like, I wouldn't even have to pluck this too much if I did choose to. This is what I'll be working with. So we're just gonna get right into this video. I just feel like I look.
Yes, it looks like you're stuck with me, the voiceover. 1 second. Melt, sweetie. Melt. Yes. This was the start of my hair being on my forehead, and I'm thinking it looked invisible. Basically, it looked until I got to hear what the fuck is this? Like a wet condom, or it looked like a latex balloon on my head. My titties just getting over big. Man, I just pray this scarf hold this lace down. Okay, edge is laid. I thought it was looking good. But get a load of this story.
Why I'm running up the stairs like
When you need feedback.
I think I did it. Look like I cut it. It feels good.
What you think?
But I can do better than
Why she hyped me up like that with not telling me it was on my forehead? I still didn't learn. I don't know why my face looked like Jay-Z. Y'all see how that glue running down my cheek? Oh, time to go warning. I was in a rush at this point, but I didn't think it looked so bad. But it ended up raining that night, so I ended up putting my bonnet on anyway. But thank you for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure y'all subscribe, catch that vibe, hit that bell notification to be notified whenever I post. And if you've been on my channel, thank you for watching.